In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the fully managed store dashboard. When you sign up for the fully managed store package, you will be able to manage your customers, orders, and products using the fully managed store admin panel. So currently we are viewing the dashboard, as you can see here. When you want to navigate to any other section of the fully managed store panel, you have to come to the menu section here. So this is the main menu section. You can see that we have various options here, which you can select. If you want to log out, you come here and click on this button to log out. You can also view the store notifications. So currently you can see the number of completed orders, processed orders, and all that here. You can also view your profile. So if you want to change your username, or you want to update your password, or you want to access the storefront end, or set up what is known as two-factor authentication for your account. So you can come here and select any of the options here. Let's proceed and look at the main menu section. Here you can see we have the menu called Requests. This menu allows you to submit requests. For example, if you want to maybe change a setting in your storefront, maybe want to update how the shipping method works, or you want to add a new payment method, you can come to this requests section and click on the post new requests. So when you click on the post new request, you see we have various options we can choose. So let's say, for example, if we want to add a new payment method, we can select this option. All right. Selecting the modify payment method option gives us the ability to connect with the Invotide support team. So we have the option to either submit a ticket or we chat with the team directly on WhatsApp. So this makes it easy for you to change the settings of your store. So you don't have to do it by yourself. The support team will do it for you whenever you want to make any of these changes. That is the advantage of the fully managed store package. So let's say, for example, we want to submit a ticket to enable the support team to update the payment method of the store. We come here, we click on the submit ticket button here. So this will open the submit ticket form. So here we now have the option to fill in our requests. So we can enter the details of what we want to change, add the subject, choose any of the departments here. So any of the support departments based on the request we want to make. And then we click on the submit ticket button to send this ticket so that the support team can process your request. So this is an example on how you can use the requests section to update the settings of your fully managed store. So note that once you submit a request, you can track the request by using the track existing request button. So clicking this button, it will open the list of existing requests that we have made. And here you can see the status of each of the requests. So once a request has been processed, the status will automatically be updated to closed. We can always come back and reopen the request. So let's say we want to make additional inquiries regarding this request, we can come here, type in the message, and click on the reply button so that the support team can assist you further. All right. So let's go to the other sections. You see, we have the product section. This is where we can manage the store products. So if you click on this section, you see that we can view the list of products that we have. We can add new products by clicking the add button. We can also delete products. So if we want to delete any of the products, we come here, we tick it, and then we click on the delete button. We can also import and export products using the import and export option here. We can edit multiple products using the mass edit option. We can duplicate products using the copy button. We can also use a feature known as product scraper. This is used for importing products from other websites. So let's say we have a product we want to import from, let's say, Amazon.com. We can use the product scraper to do that. All right. So the next section here, called the online store section, this is where we can access certain aspects of the store. For example, if we want to view the orders that has been made by customers, click on the orders menu. We can also view pre-orders, gift card orders, returns, ask a question on a product page. You can open this and then you can reply the customer from here. So we have other options here. We have reviews. We can track reviews made by customers. We can process gift vouchers. We can also track abandoned carts. If customer makes a subscription, so let's say we have a subscribable product in the store, we can manage bookings using this menu. We can also view the subscriptions. If we have subscribable products, we can also use this option to manage subscriptions made by customers. We can view reports. So this will show us the sales, all the performance based on products, customers, marketing. Then we can export and import data using this option. All right. The next option here allows us to view the marketing features. So this is a very important section because it allows us to set up marketing tools. Let's say we want to set up discount coupons. We want to post blog so that customers can read a blog post in the store. We want to send an SMS message to customers. We want to send an email. So we select the mail option here. We have other marketing modules that we can use. So you see all the marketing modules here. We can also view all other marketing modules by clicking this menu option here. So from here, this is all the marketing modules that we can set up in the store. All right. The customer section allows us to manage customers' accounts. So let's go ahead and open it. So here you can see the list of existing customers we have in the store. So let's say, for example, if we open this, so we want to open this customer account, we click on the edit button here. So this is the customer's account details. See, we have various sections. So we can view the order history. Let's say, for example, we click on this. This will show us the list of orders that this customer has made in the store. All right. So the next section here allows us to manage sellers. So this is useful if we are running a multi-seller online store. So if we have a marketplace where we want to allow third parties to sign up as sellers and list their product. The seller section allows us to manage the seller's information. So for example, we can view the list of sellers we have by clicking this option. We can also manage other sections, let's say the commission. If we have to approve sellers' products, we can come here and approve it by coming to this section and then viewing all the pending products that we need to approve. Then we can proceed to approve it. We have other important menus here like payout requests. So let's say if the customer wants payout from the earnings that the seller has made in the store, we can use this section to process the customer's payout requests. All right. The next menu here called the point of sale. This is useful if we have set up the point of sale module for your store. The point of sale module is basically used for merchants that have physical store. So if you want to be able to process sales and track your transactions in your physical store location, you can use the point of sale module to do that. So coming here, you see that we have various main options under the point of sale menu. So we have the front end, the orders, returns, barcodes, reports, users, and outlets. So for the front end, this allows us to access the point of sale web app. So if you have this point of sale module active for your fully managed store, you'll be able to access the web app to process sales by clicking the front end menu option. So let's go ahead and click it. So you see that it gives us an option to click on the access web app button here. So if we click on this, it will navigate to the web app. So what we're going to do next is we log into the POS web app. This is a demo, so we just enter the demo login details. All right. So once we log in, you can see that this is your point of sale dashboard. So if you have a physical store, you can process offline orders using this dashboard. So let's say a customer walks into your store and wants to buy any of these items. So let's say the customer wants to buy this Samsung phone. All right. You just come here, you click on it. So you see that it has been added to carts. You can add the customer's information. All right. And then after you have assigned the customer to the order, we proceed to click on the checkout button. So this will now allow us to select the payment method if the customer is paying via card or cash. So let's say, for example, if it's cash, we go ahead and then click on the accept payment button. So once we do this, you see that the order has been created and we can proceed to print the invoice. All right, this is just an example on how you can use this point of sale dashboard to process customers' orders. So you have other menu sections that you can, access. For example, if you want to view orders, that's point of sale orders. So see them here. All right. So this is basically what you do with this point of sale dashboard. All right. So let's proceed. The next menu in the admin panel is the ShopBot menu. So this menu allows you to manage your shopping bots. So if you have signed up for the ShopBot package, you notice that this menu section will have these various sub menus which you can use. So the requests menu section allows you to view requests. That's messages sent to your shopping bot. You'll be able to view those request messages and process the customer's request by chatting with the customer. So you can view your ShopBot subscribers. So note that your shopping bot will work on various social platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Telegram. So you have your shopping bots active there, and customers can use your shopping bot to ask product questions and place orders. All right. So you can also see the notifications menu option. This notifications menu option allows you to send message to your broadcast message to your subscribers. So all your ShopBot subscribers will receive message when you send your notification message using this option. So we won't go into the details for this because there is another once you open any of these pages, you see the help section that you can use to learn more about each of these sections. All right. So the last option we have in the fully managed store admin panel is the mobile apps menu. So if you have signed up for the mobile app package, so the mobile apps package allows us to create shopping Android and iOS apps that your customers can download from the App Store and use it to order your products. So from here, you see that when you open this menu option, you have the option to send push notification messages to your customers. So all the customers that have installed your app will receive your message when you send a push notification message to them using this option. All right. This option allows us to set up a delivery app. So the delivery app is an add-on package that we can deploy for your fully managed store. So if you want to be able to allow your delivery riders to automatically manage customers' order delivery requests, you can submit a ticket so that we can deploy this delivery app for your store. All right. So you see that you have the option to submit a ticket or chat with us regarding this package. Okay. So these are some of the things that you can do when you sign into your fully managed store admin panel. All right. Take note of this section in all the pages. For example, let's say we go back to, um, let's say we open this page. You see that some of the pages have a help button. So you can click on this help button to learn more on how to use any of the features on the page. Okay. In this video, I've shown you how to use the fully managed store admin panel. Thank you for watching.